Welcome to today's AI lessons in under 5 minutes. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to secure your AI implementation using a real example of a small local business implementing AI tools. Before we dive in, let's understand what makes AI secure. We'll follow Anita, a local restaurant owner, as she implements AI for customer service and menu optimization. Step 1 is setting up basic security. Watch as Anita configures her first AI tool. She uses the prompt, "Set up user access controls for my AI system. I need 3 levels: manager, staff, and training mode." Notice how we're creating distinct access levels. Manager will have full access and monitoring. Staff is limited features and data access, while training is restricted test environment. Moving on to step 2, which is data protection. Here's how Anita protects sensitive information. 1, she removes identifying customer details. 2, she uses code names for menu items. 3, she generalizes pricing information. And 4, protects supplier data. The key is knowing what to share and what to protect. Step 3 is security monitoring. For security monitoring, it's good to set up a process monitoring these basic items: daily access logs, usage patterns, data input tracking, and security alerts. Let's look at what happened after implementing these security measures. Anita now has protected customer data, secure business information, controlled AI access, and a safe AI testing environment. Some pro tips: start with maximum security. You can always relax it later. Document all security procedures, train staff before giving them access, and conduct regular security audits. Let's verify our security setup. Watch as we ask ChatGPT, review these security measures for a small restaurant using AI. What additional protections should we consider? Note how we can refine our security based on AI recommendation. Some key takeaways for today: security enables confident AI use. Protection is simpler than you think. Start with basics and build up. Regular monitoring is essential. Now it's your turn. Use this framework to secure your AI implementation. Want personalized security guidance? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation at investinyourself101.com. Remember, good security is about enabling safe AI use, not preventing it.